हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं यूटीआई मास्टर शेयर डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। रेटिंग 4 स्टार। ओके, scheme rating 4 star. NAV, net asset value as of November 29, 2022, 215.28, 0.14% up. Growth, direct growth. Okay. Fund category equity and large cap. Growth, direct. Expense ratio 0.98%. 0.56% category average, and fund size rupees 10,877.78 crore, 3.66% of investment in category. Okay, investment growth and type SIP, amount invested 5,000, period 1 year. Technical chart. Okay, so guys, overview returns. Okay, overview fund key highlights: current NAV, net asset value. The current net asset value of the UTI Mastershare Fund Direct Plan as of November 29, 2022 is rupees 215.28 for growth option of its direct plan. Okay, then second, returns. Its sterling returns over different time periods are minus 6.44% first year, 17.36% 3 year, 12.36% 5 year, and 13.51% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are minus 5.36% first year and 15.29% 3 years and 10.82% 5 years. Okay, fund size. The UTI Mastershare Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management of rupees 10,394.31 crore as on September 30, 2022. Okay, and expense ratio. The expense ratio of the fund size is 1.03% for direct plan as on August 31, 2022. Okay, exit load. UTI Master Share Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load for more than 10% of investment. 1% will be charged if redeemed within 1 year. Okay, minimum investment required is rupees 100 and minimum additional investment is rupees 100 and minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. SIP means systematic investment plan. SWP means systematic withdrawal plan. Okay. Okay, returns, trailing returns, rolling returns, and discrete period SIP returns. Okay, discrete period. And SIP returns. Okay, fund details. Investment objective. The schemes seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity related securities of large cap companies. Okay, fund house UTI Mutual Funds, launch date 1st Jan 2013, benchmark S&P BSE 100 index return since launch 14.09%, and riskometer very high. Type open-ended, and risk grade below average and return grade above average. Return comparison, technical chart. Okay, this fund 3.36% versus benchmark S&P BSE 10 plus 3.86%. Investment details: minimum investment 100, minimum additional investment 100, and minimum SIP 500. Okay, portfolio allocation, asset allocation history. Okay, equity 93.56%, and debt minus debt 1.03%, on others 5.41%. Asset allocation. Okay, sector allocation and market capital allocation. Financials 31.98%, technology 12.87%, automobile 9.79%, services 6.60%, and healthcare 5.14%, other 33.62%. Okay, market capital allocation, giant capital 79.37%, large cap 10.30%, mid cap 10.33%. Okay, valuation analyze. Okay, peer comparison. SIP returns, discrete returns, and quant measures, asset allocation. Okay, risk analyze, risk ratios. Okay, standard deviation 20.99 and versus 21.65, low volatility, sharp ratio 0.71 and 0.62. Okay, beta 0.94, 0.95, and tenor ratio 15.87 and 14.20. Risk ratio chart. Okay, alpha 1.17 and minus 0.48, main returns 18.42 and 17.01. Okay, news, fund news. Okay, fund manager Swati Anil Kulkarni. Mrs. Swati Kulkarni is a BCom MBA Finance from Narsimhanji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, CFA and CAIIB. Prior to joining UTI Mutual Fund in 2004, she has worked with Reliance Industries Limited. Okay. And Kartik Raj Lakshman since September 2022, first screen. Okay, scheme name UTI Dividend Yield Fund Direct Growth and UTI MNC Fund Direct Growth. Okay, thematic dividend yield and thematic MNC. Okay, and tools, fund for AMC, okay, about fund, UTI Mastershare Fund Direct Plan is open-ended large cap equity scheme which belong to UTI Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio composition, and tax implications. Tax implications. Okay. Okay, so guys, UTI Mastershare Direct Growth scheme rating 4 star, net asset value 215.28. Okay, expense ratio 0.98%, fund size 10,877.78 करोड़. सो गाइज ये फंड आपको बाय करना है UTI Mastershare डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ. ओके, फंड के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, फंड फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ये फंड आपको बाय करना है UTI Mastershare डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, NAV 215.28, एक्सपेंस रेशियो 0.98%, फंड साइज 10,877.78 करोड़. ओके, टेक्निकल चार्ट, फंड कैटेगरी इक्विटी एंड लार्ज कैप. ओके, ग्रोथ डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.